Have you ever lost access to your Google Drive account overnight without warning? Do you worry about Google scanning your files for policy violations? Is your free storage filling up way too fast? Does uploading and downloading feel slower than it should be? If you asked yourself even one of these, you are not alone, and today, do not wait until your Google Drive account gets locked or your files vanish. Try one of these alternatives today. 1. pCloud. pCloud is a secure cloud storage option with lifetime plans. Yes, one-time payment, no monthly subscription. Your files are encrypted, and you can even choose where your data is stored. Great if you are tired of paying Google forever. 2. Sync.com. If privacy is your top concern, Sync is the way to go. End-to-end encryption by default, no file size limits, and strict zero-knowledge policies. It is built for people who do not want companies snooping on their files. 3. Proton Drive. Made by the team behind Proton Mail. Simple, encrypted, and privacy first. It does not have as many features yet, but for sensitive files and personal storage, it is rock solid. So which is best? If you want to pay once and forget it, pCloud. If you care most about privacy, Sync. If you're looking for a trustworthy, growing option, Proton Drive. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm covering each one in detail in upcoming videos.